Okay, quadratics. I'm going to solve a quadratic for you just to get you the idea of how you'd use either factoring or the quadratic formula to solve one. So let's say I had x squared plus 6x plus 5. All right, first of all, could I solve it using the ZPP, the zero product property? Yes, because this one factors. So solving is as simple as factoring it if you can. X plus 1, x plus 5. How does I know that works? Because first is x squared. The outside and the inside make a total of 6x. And the last make 1 plus 5 is 5. So those two now can very easily give me my solutions because the zero product property says that I can take two things, and if they're the product and equaling 0, set y equal to 0 so you can find the x-intercept, then I can use the zero product property to solve this. That means either this equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, or this equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0. And then I solve them both, x equals -1, and x equals -5. Cool, you say, but let's say it hadn't factored. What if it wouldn't factor? I mean, all I'd have to do is change that last number to like a 6 or something, and it wouldn't have factored. Then you'd use the quadratic formula. All right, I'm going to use the same problem because I know it's going to work out nice. But I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve it and show you that. Quadratic formula is x equals -b, which is -6 in this case, plus or minus square root of b squared, which would be 6 squared, which is 36, minus 4ac, 4ac. I'm always careful in this area because I know a ton of mistakes are made underneath that root. The a is 1, and the c term is 5. Just to round it out, of course, the b term there is 6. Right, and that's what got me this and this. And it's all over 2a. And the 2 times a, which is 1, there's an imaginary 1 right there, gives me 2. Then I'd have -6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 20, which would be 16. Oh, that's going to work out nicely, all over 2. And now that's equal to -6 plus or minus the square root of 16 is 4, all over 2. And then that comes out to -6 plus 4, which is -2 over 2. And the other answer, -6 minus 4, -10 over 2. Now if I can just divide by 2, I'll have it -1 and -5. And look at that, they're the same answers they were before when I used factoring. So these are for solving quadratics. Now solving is the same if you're asking for the solutions as if you are saying I want the x-intercepts, or I want the roots, or I want the zeros. It's all the same. These are the answers. And I would probably want to say x equals next to them unless they wanted points on a graph, in which case, since these are where y equals 0, I could, of course, write them like this, where y equals 0, and say -1 comma 0 and -5 comma 0 if you wanted them written like points. All right, that's all I got for you. Have a great day.